Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you my idea to decorate this stand by using ballroom and some greenery to make a table centerpiece. The step-by-step tutorial about how to make the stand, click here for the old tutorial. I don't repeat on this video. Okay, first of all, let's put on the floral foam. I will use this foam chain. You can use the square flower foam will be okay. In order to fit the foam chain to the size of the stand, we can shorten this part and this part. So we can adjust the length of the B chain by adjust this part. And then we need to tie the foam on the stand sturdy with a string. Okay, after we tie the foam to the stand, look, very sturdy. And then let's put on the greenery. You can insert the leaf on the foam, but I will use the leaf wire. That will be fast. This leaf wire very cheap. You can buy them from Amazon or Dollar Tree. One leaf wire not enough, so we need to put more. After we tie this cheap wire on the stand as a padding, we can use this short wire to fill the gap. Look, there are a lot of space. The reason of using this short wire because it will be much more easy to fill the space. Use this small force to hold the soft leaf wire will be okay. If you don't have this force, you can use the short string and bend it like this, and then insert on the foam. That will be okay. Very sturdy. Okay, after that, I will use this palm leaf. Iron wire inside so we can bend and insert on the foam. Look, after insert the palm leaf, it looks much more full. And then let's put on this tropical leaf. And also, since I do not have enough tropical leaf on hand, I make the paper tropical. So to make our decoration much more colorful. It's very easy to make the paper leaf. Just buy an artificial one, copy and cut off the paper, and then use the glue gun to stick our long stem on the paper leaf will be okay. Because they are iron wire inside, so we can bend it. And then insert, and then insert on the garland. Okay, finally, let's blow some ballroom. I will blow the ballroom in different size and put it on the holder. And then, look, the stick, long stick, we will cut it to shorter. Shorter stick will be okay. And then put on the holder. insert on the phone. Then the next ballroom, look, smaller. The size will be smaller than this one. We don't have to make all the ballroom are in one side. Okay, completed. Let's check the effect. Look. Let's check it from the top and from the bottom. Look. Put the cake and some dessert on the table. Or you can decorate, make a table runner with some greenery or candle. The come out will be much more perfect. Okay, this is today's tutorial. If you like this idea, please buy me a cent as supporting. I will use this money to buy more material and take more video. Thank you for your watching. Bye.